Do you like that spicy salsa? Yeah. More? You say more, please. Please.
Say more,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, here we go. It's spicy. It's spicy. Go ahead. Eat it.
Addie, drink some milk. Milk.
Just like your mama. You like it spicy. Even though it's like, whew, too hot, you just keep eating it.
Cracker? Of course it's a chip. Sorry, just say food. Yeah.
You know it's going to be spicy when you put it in, but you can't help it. You're addicted. Hot. She's so funny. First she makes the face because it's too hot, and then she puts it in her mouth.
Do you need some water? No? You got some milk left?
Yummy.